Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon not crispy. To achieve perfectly tender bacon, begin with thick-cut slices. Place them in a cold pan, which allows the fat to render slowly and evenly. Maintain a low to medium-low heat throughout the cooking process. This gentle approach prevents the bacon from becoming overly crisp, ensuring a chewy texture. Avoid high heat to keep the bacon pliable and delicious. For truly tender bacon, consider adding a tablespoon or two of water to the pan before cooking. This steams the bacon initially, keeping it moist. As the water evaporates, the bacon will gently fry in its own rendered fat. Flip the bacon frequently, perhaps every minute or so, to ensure even cooking and prevent any single side from crisping too much. Take it off the heat when it's still pliable, not rigid. You can also achieve non-crispy bacon using an oven or microwave. For the oven, lay bacon on a wire rack set over a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows fat to drip away, preventing crisping. In the microwave, place slices between two paper towels and cook in short bursts. Both methods require close monitoring to ensure the bacon remains tender and doesn't become too firm. After cooking, gently pat your bacon with paper towels to remove excess grease, which helps maintain its tender texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep them fresh and pliable for later enjoyment. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly tender bacon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.